Welcome friends to Himalayan Sankirtan. Today I'm going to make video on a Himalayan yoga breathing exercise. But today I create confusion of multiple breathing exercise, means 4 in 1 exercise together in a one round. And this is very beneficial for all your bodies, soul, energies, diseases, everything. You can heal with these 4 breathing exercises in one. The name of this exercise is Ujjayi, deep yogic breathing plus Kapalbhati plus Kumbha. I'm going to make video on these 4 breathing exercises together because of these are also ancient, but all the time everybody trying to improvise something because of the modern time. Time is very fast. Everybody wants fast things in their life, fast results. Everything is fast, fast food, fast traveling. Everybody wants fast things in their life. So I created this fusion. And this is very powerful fusion, but not for the beginners, only for advanced practitioners. Beginners cannot do, otherwise they will feel uneasiness in their breath. So this is not recommended for beginners. This is for advanced practitioners. So the Ujjayi plus deep yogic breathing plus Kumbhak plus Kapalbhati. So it's an incredible combination of these exercises. So I will give you one round how to do. And the benefit of these exercises with the Ujjayi affects our throat chakra. So with the Ujjayi, we can activate our throat chakra, the power of our vocal cords, the power of speech, the power of connection with the society, the power of a leader. So you need to speak, you need to increase your vocal qualities. So it will open your throat chakra first. With the deep yogic breathing, in the deep yogic breathing, we inhale deep, slowly, gently, smoothly. No sound, no jerking. It's very smooth and silent. We increase the diaphragm of our belly first, then we increase the diaphragm of our lungs. The lower lungs, middle lungs, and upper lungs. The benefit of it is with the deep yogic breathing exercise, the body receives full amount of oxygen in your brain, in your blood, everywhere. Because when we inhale deep, so we receive lots of oxygen. And when we exhale long, because in the deep yogic breathing, we deep inhale and long exhale till the stomach goes in automatically. This is the natural breathing. When you inhale, your stomach will go out, and when you exhale, your stomach will go in. This is natural method of breathing. But mostly people they don't do right. So in the deep yogic breathing, it provides the full amount of oxygen to our body, and with that, our mind and brain work well. It improves our memory. It heals our lots of diseases in the body. Lots of diseases. Higher blood pressure, depression, migraine, headache, insomnia, the body aches, the stability in mind, improve your memory. With the deep breathing, it will focus on our brain system, on our eye and crown chakra. So it affects on the eye and the crown. Means we cover with Ujjayi throat chakra, and with the deep yogic breathing, we cover our eye and crown, and with the diaphragm. With the diaphragm, we focusing on the lower chakra too. Sacral, solar plex, then heart. It gives pressure because we are increasing the diaphragm with that, our lungs and belly. And the third is Kumbhak. Kumbhak means retention. When we do Kumbhak with these 2 breathing exercises, it gives pressure. Where? In our 3 chakras. Almost 4 chakras too. Just like roots, sacral, solar, and heart. It gives pressure because we're holding our oxygen inside and it's traveling everywhere through our blood. Because when we do Kumbhak, so oxygen transfer to the heart, first is transferred to the lungs when we inhale. Then when we hold, so it start transfer lungs to the heart to blood, and blood to everywhere in the body, to every organ. And this is the science behind that of Kumbhak. That's why the Himalayan yogis, they focus on Kumbhak, Rajak and Purak with the different variation of breathing exercises, because they want to travel everywhere in the body, because yogi travel in a micro level through their breath, through their life force in the body. This is the universe. So they travel in the universe through that, and it's a different topic, so I will not go there. Maybe I will make another video on that. But today I am focusing on the 4-in-1 exercises. So this is the third exercise in Kumbhak. So we cover all three chakras, and we are going to fix the whole organs of our body. And the major part is we can activate our vagus nerve also. That's connected with almost all the organs, our head to root. It covered all the organs. The vagus nerve is very famous nowadays, and most of people they know. There's a lot of videos available on YouTube. So it gives stimulation to the vagus nerve also. And now the part of exhalation, because right now we inhale with the Ujjayi, with the deep breathing, plus, and we hold it. So we didn't done exhalation. So exhalation we will do with the Kapalbhati, like where we do in the Kapalbhati. Just stomach in and exhale with the force. But in this I will change a little variation. I will exhale with our nostril forcefully. Then I will use my mouth to exhale every single contraction out. So I will teach you the one round of it, and I already share a basic information about it, but this is for the advanced practitioners, because it's very powerful, energetic, and dangerous too. Because you're holding your life force, your breath inside with those breathing exercises. And if somebody if they are beginners, so they cannot control their breath, they will be breathless. So that is not right. It gives negative impact for beginners. So only if you are practicing the breathing exercise, if you are following with me last 3, 4, 6 months, then you can do this practice. Otherwise, don't do that. This is not recommended for the beginners. So I'm going to teach you the first round in the Ujjayi. I already made one video on the Ujjayi Pranayama. So you can go in my playlist. So you can check there how to do that. So I'm giving, if you didn't understand here. So I make individual videos on Ujjayi, on deep yogic breathing, on Kapalbhati. So you can see individual videos. So in this we do Antar Kumbhak. When we inhale and then we hold, it means Antar Kumbhak. And when we exhale, then we hold, that is called Bhaya Kumbhak. The external retention, internal retention. So today we are going internal retention in this. So in the Ujjayi, we do Purak inhalation through our nostrils. With the nostrils, we hit our breath here. Normally people do like this. And in this we do here. Lots of people do sound. That is not right. It's a natural sound come automatically. Very light sound comes. It's not like lots of people do like this. No, that is not right. That is totally wrong method of Ujjayi. The Ujjayi you have to do inhale and feel your throat is hitting by your breath here when you inhale here. And with this you need to add deep breathing. You can breathe 10 seconds, 30 seconds, as much as deep you can go. 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, deep inhalation. First we have to do. So I'm going to give you one round. I'm inhaling. I will use my hand to tell you I'm inhaling. And then I will hold like Kumbhak, and then I will exhale. So just watch this. First you have to exhale. Always when you start breathing exercise, exhale first. You can use your mouth, you can use your nostrils. There is no problem. And now start Ujjayi. like you need to do. Means 4 in 1 in a one time. And you can do 20 rounds, you can do your advance, you can do 1 minute, 3 minutes. You will feel very relaxing and powerful effect in your kundalini, in your chakras. And you can heal your diseases too. This is very powerful pranayama and combination of these exercises. I will try to make more combination of different exercises, and I will share more videos with you so you can get more intense knowledge about our ancient practices of our life. And you can fix your life with those practices. You don't need a medicine in your life. If you practice every day, yoga, breathing, and meditation, the trinity of this divine journey, and that is called the spiritual practices. And we follow different variation breathing exercises. So follow this Ujjayi plus deep yogic breathing plus Kumbhak plus exhalation with the Kapalbhati that I teach you right now, the different variation. You exhale forcefully, then use your mouth like that till the end of your stomach goes in. Every carbon dioxide you have to exhale out. So follow this and practice 1 week at least and see the changes. Before start these practices, you can do Kapalbhati and Bhastrika. These two exercises you can do, then you can start directly this exercise, the combination of 4 and 1, and see the changes in your life. And please comment me if you get any problem, any issue with this exercise. So let me know. So I will try to fix. And this is an informational video. This is only informational video. So if you doing practice, if you learning, so do under the supervision of your teacher who do practice every day the breathing exercises, who know the deep knowledge about it, about the life, about the pranic energy. This is just informational. I'm just here to share as much as information with you, our ancestors that provided to us. Oh.